Transportation, how to read bus and train schedules. So in this unit, we are going to focus on reading bus and train schedules. First, I would start with the vocabulary. I may ask my students to read the word and I read the definition, or I read the word and then we go over the definitions together. Either way, you want to do this first, so that way students will be prepared for the following exercises. You can also talk about the pictures in detail. For example, which one is the bus and which one is the train. Some people may not be familiar with elevated trains, so you may want to talk about that as well. So let's start by looking at the weekday bus morning schedule. Now you want to take your time with this because this may be the first time someone is reading or learning how to read a bus schedule. So let's go over this together. Let's start with the top line, which are the places. For example, Kent Avenue, 10th Street, Brick Avenue, Day Avenue, 15th Street, and Madison Avenue. You want to go over the different times on a bus or train schedule. Pay attention to the time starting from the morning, afternoon, evening, and night schedules because they will change throughout the day. However, if you see a line or dashes like this one on 10th Street, that means the bus will not arrive at that station during that time. If you wanted to go to 10th Street, you would have to wait until after 3:20 in the morning in order for you to get to 10th Street. You can go about this exercise in different ways. You can start by practicing reading the bus schedule together with your students. You can have students pair up together and practice reading them for a few moments, and then you can have them read the conversation and answer the question, what time should person A catch the bus? Then you can have students take turns by reading the conversation. As the teacher, you can walk around your classroom or listen to how students are practicing as well as their pronunciation. Make sure that you go over catch the bus. This is an idiom that we use to say that you're taking the bus. Welcome to Doris Says, English Tips for Daily Use.